Auzubillahi Minashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are all of you? I hope you all are fine. I am Kausar Liaquat, your math teacher from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Model Town, Lahore. I am happy to present this lecture. I hope you will be glad to listen this video lecture. This is lecture number 6 of mathematics for the students of level 2. First, you should bring few stationery items like pencil, eraser, notebook, countdown to third edition so that you can write the important things. Here is your first term syllabus. You can also download it from the official website of Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Model Town, Lahore. You already have studied chapter 1 in your previous lectures. In this lecture, you will learn addition of 0 and 1. Our topic is additive property of 0 and 1. Learning objects. At the end of this lecture, the students will become familiar with the additive property of 0 and 1. The students will be able to do mental math more rapidly. First, we do addition of 0 with any number. First, we need to know what is 0 and when we use it. Dear students, when we want to show nothing or no object, we use 0. So 0 means nothing. Dear students, can you tell me what is addition? Oh yes, addition means joining. Addition means combining. Addition means to put things together. Here I am using different objects to explain the concept. Students, you can see there is one triangle in the first box and no triangle in the other box. How many triangles in both the boxes do we have now? We have one triangle in all. So we have 1 plus 0 equals 1. Now we do another example. Here you can see 3 apples in the first bowl and no apple in the other bowl. How many apples are there in both the bowls? There are 3 apples in all, so we can write 3 plus 0 equals 3. In this example, the first box has 4 hearts and the second box has no heart. You can see we have 4 hearts in all. So we can write 4 plus 0 equals 4. From above example, we have a conclusion. Dear students, you can observe 1 plus 0 equals 1, 3 plus 0 equals 3, 4 plus 0 equals 4. So we can conclude when we add 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. No matter whatever the number is, how many digits a number has, we follow the same rule. For example, for bigger number, we can write 33 plus 0 equals 33, 16 plus 0 equals 16, 58 plus 0 equals 58, 35 plus 0 equals 35, 100 plus 0 equals 100, 365 plus 0 equals 365. Here you have some questions. Dear students, These are very simple and easy questions. You can do it yourself. So do practice because practice makes a man perfect. Now we learn addition of 1. Dear students, do you know why we use 1? We use 1 to show a single object. Now we solve some examples to get the concept. Dear students, you can see the first box has one smiley and the second box also has one smiley. How many smileys in both the boxes do we have now? We have two smileys in all. So we will write 1 plus 1 equals 2. Here you have 5 strawberries and one more strawberry. So you have 6 strawberries in all and you will write 5 plus 1 equals 6. In this example, 8 balloons and 1 balloon make a bunch of 9 balloons. So we will write 8 plus 1 equals 9. Now we see the results. 1 plus 1 equals 2, which comes after 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6, which comes after 5. And 8 plus 1 equals 9, which comes after 8. So we can conclude when we add 1 to any number, the answer is the next number. Now for bigger number, we can write the next number quickly. For example, 55 plus 1 equal 56, 76 plus 1 equal 77, 98 plus 1 equal 99, 450 plus 1 equal 451, 100 plus 1 equal 101, 385 plus 1 equals 386. Here you have some more questions for your practice. Do more practice because practice makes a man perfect. Thanks for watching this video lecture. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Allah Hafiz.